Hey G-Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool underground here, and basically what this is a cabin air filter that you can use to replace inside your car. If you can see, for the one that we got right here is from this brand, and for the one that we got right here, it does come with two of them. And the way how you guys replace it is actually very easy and very simple, depending on what car you guys do have. But first I'm actually open this up to show you guys what the inside looks like. Alright, so once you guys open up, here is basically what the inside looks like. So I mentioned for the one that we got right here, it does come in a pack of two of them, and both of them are the same. Let me actually take out one of them to show you guys what she looks like. So once you guys take it out, here is basically what it looks like. So this actually looks like on this side, and here is the other side. So for me, I just replaced it recently, and I didn't know how easy it was until my friend showed me. So I decided to purchase one of these myself to show you guys what she looks like and also show you guys how to set it up. And if you guys are curious about how often you should change one of these filters, they mentioned how you guys want to change it once a year or maybe after 12,000 miles. Pretty much once you guys see this part right here is super dirty or all black, then you guys know that you guys have to change it. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now I'm just going to set this up to show you guys how to replace it, and then we'll come back and talk more about it in a second. Alright, so right here we do have the glove compartment. First what I'm going to do is take this out, and you guys can put the filter inside. So take it out first. Alright, so pretty much all you guys want to do is go like this on both sides. And then once you guys take it out, you guys can take out the filter inside right here. So you pretty much want to open up this part right here. And then once you guys take it out, inside right here is basically your air filter. So you guys do take it out. That is basically what the air filter looks like. So this is the one that I just replaced recently. Let's take out the new one to put it inside. So right here we do the new one. So we guys do open up. Let's stick this inside. Once you guys got it back inside, you guys can put it back on the cover. So just like that. And it's all set. Now I can put it back on this cover here. Alright, so that's all set. So very easy and very simple for us to replace it, if you can see. Alright, welcome back guys. So nice little quick test about it, and definitely actually does work and actually works quite well. If you can see, the whole setup process and everything didn't take that long. Once you guys open up the glove compartment, you guys can take out the cover inside and just take that out and put on a new one. And I do want to mention, when you guys purchase this one in particular, you guys want to make sure it's compatible with your car first. When you guys do look at the listing, it will show you guys what it's compatible with in terms of which car it works with. So just to give you guys an idea, here are some of them. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys in the market looking for a high quality air filter that you can use inside your car. Then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.